Hello everyone. In previous video, we learned the concept of nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Now today, we will learn the practice set 2.5 which is based on that concept. So today, we will just recap all the points. So just have a look. This way we learn nature of the roots of quadratic equation. So we have a three natures: b square minus 4ac equals to 0 when real roots are real and equal, when they are equal. Okay, तसंच b square minus 4ac greater than 0 तर रूट्स आर रियल अँड अनइक्वल, ही स्टेटमेंट याला सॅटिस्फाईड होणार. b square minus 4ac लेस दॅन 0 तर रूट्स आर नॉट रियल, तेव्हा ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाईड होणार. बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac इक्वल्स टू 0 मीन्स वॉट, म्हणजे याचा आन्सर 0 आलं की ते रियल आणि इक्वल्स असणार. क्लिअर? सो अशा प्रकारे आपण नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स वी लर्न. And in next we learn their relations. So when we have a relation, so take two roots alpha and beta with the help of this formula. X equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So with the help of that plus आणि minus ने आपल्याला two formulas भेटतात, alpha and beta. And sum of roots मध्ये alpha plus beta. What is the sum of roots of this? Minus b upon a. हा formula फॉर्म होतो. क्लिअर? अँड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स ऑफ अल्फा अँड बीटा, सो हा फॉर्म्युला इथे फॉर्म होतो, दॅट इज सी मायनस ए. क्लिअर स्टुडंट्स? सो इन दिस वे वी लर्न द रिलेशन ऑफ अल्फा अँड बीटा. And the last concept of this that is sum of the, with the help of sum of roots and the product of roots, we form a new standard of quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. So students, I hope you clear these formulae. So with the help of these formulae, we start to solve the practice set 2.5. Let's start to learn practice set 2.5. We have three activities. So start with the first one. Fill in the gaps and examples. So we have a first quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So in formula b square minus 4ac equals to 5 and b square minus 4ac equals to minus 5. So write down their nature of the roots. So we have three natures of root. Okay. So in first bracket what we write, this equals to 5. That means this is a real number and it is not equal to 0. Okay, so write down here roots are real and unequal. Clear? So write down here roots are real and unequal because this is not equals to 0. That's why we can write down unequal. Now this b square minus 4ac equals to minus 5. Minus 5 means what? Negative value. So negative value काय असते? Roots are not real. Okay. So write down here roots are not real. Clear? हे आपण कॉन्सेप्ट मध्ये शिकलो आहोत आताच. Clear? Now look at the second activity. In second activity they given sum of the roots is minus 7. Sum of the roots म्हणजे काय? Alpha plus beta equals to minus 7. आणि नेक्स्ट त्यांनी काय दिले? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट. प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे काय? अल्फा इंटू बीटा इक्वल्स टू 5. मीन्स त्यांनी हे आणि हे दिले. अँड व्हॉट दे सेड? फाइंड आउट देअर क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. सो इन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन वी हॅव अ स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म दॅट वी फॉर्म. ओके, आपण ते फॉर्म केलं होतं आत्ताच. दॅट इज एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा ऑफ एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इक्वल्स टू 0. आपण हे आत्ताच फॉर्म केलं होतं. कारण का वी हॅव अ सम ऑफ द रूट्स अँड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स. नाउ सबस्टिट्यूट दिस टू व्हॅल्यू इन दिस फॉर्म्युला. सो एक्स स्क्वेअर राईट डाऊन हिअर मायनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा काय आलं आहे? minus 7. So write in bracket. Clear? Write in bracket because we have already sign here. So write down here x plus alpha into beta काय आहे? तर 5 equals to 0. Clear? Now what the next? So x square minus minus काय होतं? Plus 7x. Clear? And plus 5 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. They told us what is the quadratic equation. So in bracket you have to write down here x square plus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. Clear? So we solve activity 1 and activity 2. Activity 3 is for your practice. But what is the question is 2x square plus 4x minus 3 equals to 5. आणि आपल्याला with the help of this quadratic equation find out their sum of roots and the product of the roots. Clear? So तुम्हाला तसंच सॉल्व करायचं आहे. बट काय अल्फा प्लस बीटाचा आपण एक फॉर्म्युला फाइंड आउट केलेला होता. तो काय होता मायनस बी अपॉन ए, राईट. आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये अल्फा इंटू बीटा काय होता सी अपॉन ए हा फॉर्म्युला होता. सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस तुम्हाला हे फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. क्लिअर? alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a, alpha into beta equals to c upon a. Clear? So this is the formula. So ह्याच्या आधी तुम्हाला a ची व्हॅल्यू इथे लिहावी लागणार, b ची व्हॅल्यू इथे लिहावी लागणार आणि c ची व्हॅल्यू इथे लिहावी लागणार. दॅट इज a इज व्हॉट 2, b इज व्हॉट minus 4, c इज व्हॉट minus 3. क्लिअर? सो या व्हॅल्यूज तुम्हाला विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन इथे लिहावे लागतील. आफ्टर दॅट सबस्टिट्यूट दिस 3 व्हॅल्यू इन दिस फॉर्म, इन दिस इक्वेशन. क्लिअर? सो मग अल्फा प्लस बीटा काय भेटणार बघा, इथे मायनस 4 आणि अपॉन ए आहे. ए मीन्स व्हॉट 2. सो 4 1 2 2 2 जा 4. सो आन्सर काय येणार 2 येणार, कारण की मायनस मायनस प्लस होऊन जाणार. क्लिअर? अल्फा इंटू बीटा. सो अल्फा सी म्हणजे काय आहे मायनस 3 अँड ए मीन्स व्हॉट 2 म्हणजे मायनस 3 अपॉन 2. So with the help of this formula you can find out the alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. Clear? So students, I hope you clear this concept and these 3 activities also. But you have to explain each and every step when you write down in your notebook. Clear? Now look at the question number 2 is find the values of discriminant. So what is the first question? X square plus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. So students, look at the example number 1 in question number 2. I have already solved. Just listen carefully. So compare this equation with quadratic form. So what is quadratic? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So write down the value of a, b, c. A is what? There is a no any number, no any coefficient. That means there is a 1. And b is 7. C is minus 1. Clear? So write down the delta or d. D is what? Discriminant. Equals to b square minus 4ac. So what is the b square minus 4ac? Substitute all this value in this formula. So 7 square 49. So minus write down here. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So minus 4 write down in a bracket. When you open the bracket, we get plus sign here. And this number write down as it is. Add both this, we get 53. So therefore, the delta equals to 53 or the value of discriminant equals to 53. तर अशा प्रकारे we solve the example number 2. आपण हा example number 2 solve केला. Now look at the next one. Question number 2. काय आहे 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equals to 0. This is an equation example number 2 and look at the example number 3 is what? Root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equals to 0. So example number 2 is for your practice. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 3 is determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. नेचर कसं फाइंड आउट करायचं तर सेम जसं आपण हे केलं तसंच करायचं आहे. लुक ॲट हियर. फर्स्ट वी हॅव कम्पेअर दिस इक्वेशन विथ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. क्लिअर? क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनला कम्पेअर करण्यासाठी एबीसीच्या व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केल्या. सो राईट डाऊन द व्हॅल्यू फॉर्म्युला ऑफ द डिस्क्रिमिनंट. सो डिस्क्रिमिनंटचा फॉर्म्युला काय असतो बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ आपल्याला 53 मिळालं. क्लिअर? सो नेचरमध्ये पण आपल्याला डेलचीच व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे म्हणजे डिस्क्रिमिनंटची. सो वेन वी गेट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा इक्वल्स टू 53. क्लिअर? सो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट हा इक्वल्स टू 53 म्हणजे काय रूट्स आर रिअल अँड अनइक्वल. अनइक्वल का? बिकॉज डेलची व्हॅल्यू 0 आलेली नाही म्हणून. सो आपण याला याच पद्धतीने सॉल्व्ह करणार आहोत. फक्त एक स्टेप वाढेल तिथे की आपल्याला ते प्रूफ करायचं आहे की त्याचं नेचर कोणतं आहे. क्लिअर? आपल्याला 3 नेचर्स होते. काय होते तर बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac इक्वल्स टू 0 हे फर्स्ट नेचर होतं. नेक्स्ट वन काय होतं बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0 हे सेकंड नेचर होतं. b square minus 4ac is less than 0. This is the third nature. So this is real and unequal. This is real. This is real and equal. This is real and unequal. आणि इथे not real होतं. Okay. So with the help of finding out the value of delta, we can prove these three natures. Third, let's start to solve the example number 1. So here write down, compare this one, x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0 with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So write down the value of a, b, c. A is what? 1, b is minus 4, c is 4. Clear? So write down the value of delta. Delta is what? B square minus 4ac. So substitute all values. So b is minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4. Now simplify. So 4 4s are 16 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Clear? So 16 minus 16 we get 0. So therefore here what? Delta equals to 0. Now delta equals to 0. So statement काय असणार? The roots are real and equal. Clear? So write down here, therefore the roots are real and equal. Okay students, isn't it easy? Yes. किती सोपा है ना? So same as it is, we solve the question number 2 and 3 also. So look at here. We have a question number 2. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0. So हा एक्झाम्पल ही त्याच वेने फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. बट तुम्हाला फक्त इथे बघायचं आहे की डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू काय येते. जर डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू 0 असेल तर रूट्सचा रिअल आणि इक्वल येणार. ओके. सपोज याची डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू ही ग्रेटर दॅन डेल्टा इज ग्रेटर दॅन सम व्हॅल्यूज असेल. क्लिअर? म्हणजे डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू 53 असेल म्हणजे अशी. सपोज डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू 10 असेल. सो 10 काय येणार? रूट्सचा रिअल अँड अनइक्वल येणार. जर याचा आन्सर मायनसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आलं. क्लिअर? लिसन स्टुडंट्स, जर थर्डचं आन्सर मायनसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आलं तर रूट्स आर नॉट रिअल. क्लिअर? सो सेकंड अँड थर्ड इज ऑल्सो फॉर युअर होमवर्क. Now let's solve the question number 4 is form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. So look at the first example, 0 and 4. So first we assume that alpha equals to 0 and beta equals to 4. And we have a sum of the roots and product of the roots. So let's assume let alpha equals to 0 and beta equals to 4. Now we have a sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So let's find out sum. Alpha plus beta equals to, substitute 0 plus 4. So what we get? 4. Okay. Now alpha into beta equals to 0 into 4. We get 0. 0 into 4, 4. 0. Now write down the required quadratic equation. So we have a quadratic equation. So write down the quadratic equation is so what is that? Required x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Now substitute these two values in this formula. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 4x plus alpha into beta is 0 equals to 0. So now therefore we get x square minus 4x equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So write down here last one, therefore x square minus 4x equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation. So students, first always remember that when they give two roots 0 and 4, first assume that alpha and beta. After assuming, find out their sum and products. After finding out these two values, write out their required form of quadratic equation. Now substitute these two values. Now therefore we get x square minus 4x equals to 0 and this is the quadratic equation. Now look at the example number 2 is 3 and minus 10 is for your homework. Okay. Now come to the example number 3 is half and minus half. Again, we just assume alpha and beta value. Alpha equals to half and beta equals to minus half. Clear? So write down find out the sum of the roots. So half plus of this is minus half. Clear? Write down the value of alpha is half. Write down plus sign here. What is beta? Is minus half. Clear? Now next one is half plus minus half. Clear? Now half minus half we get 0. So alpha plus beta equals to 0. Now come to the next one. Alpha into beta. Clear? So half into of minus half. So what you get? 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. And this is minus sign. Write down as it is. Clear? Now in next write down the quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? This one, same as it is. So x square minus of alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Now substitute these two values. Clear? This one and this one. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 0 of x plus alpha into beta minus 1 upon 4 equals to 0. Clear? Now next one is x square. X square. So this is plus and minus. We get minus 1 upon 4 equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So write down here x square minus 1 upon 4 equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Clear? So write down. Look at the example number 4. Is 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. Okay, so again we can assume alpha and beta value. Let alpha equals to 2 minus root 5, right? And beta is equals to 2 plus root 5. Now again we can find out the value of product of roots and sum of roots. First sum of roots. So 2 alpha is what? 2 minus root 5. To 2 minus root 5 write down as it is. Write down the plus sign here. Beta is 2 plus root 5. Clear? Now next one. Minus root 5 plus root 5 get cancel. We get 2 plus 2. This is the 4. So product sum is 4. Now product alpha into beta. So alpha is what? 2 minus root 5. Take in a bracket. Now another one is multiplication 2 minus root 5. Okay. So now this is when you multiply this 2 multiply this 2, root 5 multiply this root 5. So take with the back bracket 2 whole square and this is multiply with minus of this one. Multiply with this root 5 with this root 5 and take a sign here minus. Clear? Minus of this is root 5 the whole square. Now 2 square is 4 minus root 5 square we get a 5. Now 4 minus 5 minus 1. So minus 1 is the product of this root. Now find out the formula. So what is the required this is the quadratic equation is x square plus alpha plus beta, write down this sign is here minus sign, write down the minus sign. Alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Now substitute the value. What is the value? X square minus alpha plus beta is 4x plus, and this is alpha into beta is minus 1 equals to 0. Now x square minus 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So in this way we solve the example number 1. 2 is for your homework, example number 3 and example number 4. I hope you clear these 3 examples. Write down or take a screenshot. Now students, after solving question number 4, 5 and 6 is skip for your syllabus. Now let's start to solve example number 7. Is the roots of each the roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal and find k. Clear? So या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपल्याला करायचं काय आहे, फर्स्ट find the value of k. K in the sense means first we have to write down the value of a, b, c. A is what? 3, B is k and C is 12. Okay, now with the help of that we find out the value of delta. Delta find out केल्यावरती त्यांनी काय सांगितलं, the roots are real and equal. Real and equal म्हणजे काय? 0. Delta equals to 0. With the help of this statement we find out the value of k. So students, let's start to solve this example. So students, we have this equation. Okay, so first आपल्याला करायचं काय, first write down the value of a, b, c. Okay, next one we find out the value of delta. Okay, so step by step we solve this equation to find out the value of k. So first write down here a equals to 3, clear, and b equals to k, c equals to 12, clear. Now next one. So write down the delta. Delta equals to what? B square minus 4ac. Now substitute the all values. B means what? K. So k square minus 4 multiply a 3, c is 12. Clear? Now equals to k square minus 4 3s are 12. 12 multiply 12, 144. Clear? So the delta equals to k square minus 144. Now we have to write down the roots are real and equal. So in your textbook of this question number 7, they told us the roots are real and equal. So write down here the roots are real and equal. Means with the help of that equal आपण roots are real and equal घ्यायचं. Okay, so real and equal मध्ये असतो काय, delta equals to 0 असतो. We know that. Therefore delta equals to 0. Clear? Now आता डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला काय भेटली, तर ही k square minus 144. So write down in place of delta is k square minus 144. Clear students? कसं लिहायचं, फर्स्ट राईट डाऊन ABC व्हॅल्यू, फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा अँड द रूट्स आर रिअल अँड इक्वल. रिअल अँड इक्वल म्हणजे काय, डेल्टा इक्वल्स टू 0 असतो. क्लिअर? नाव राईट डाऊन द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस. नाव के स्क्वेअर मायनस 144. आपण याला इन स्क्वेअरच्या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहूया विथ ब्रॅकेट के स्क्वेअर मायनस आणि ते काय येणार 12चा स्क्वेअर इक्वल्स टू 0. क्लिअर दिस स्टेप? आफ्टर दॅट सो के स्क्वेअर मायनस 12 the whole square. Now a square minus b square चा फॉर्म्युला काय असतो, a plus b, a minus b. Now split with plus or minus sign. Clear? So therefore k plus 12 and k minus 12 write down in separate bracket. K plus 12, another one is k minus 12 equals to 0. Now just separate with zeros. Therefore k plus 12 equals to 0 or k minus 12 equals to 0. Clear? Therefore the value of k, therefore k equals to 12. If minus 12, right? Plus च convert minus मध्ये होणार or k equals to 12. So we get these two roots minus 12 and this is 12. So write down the value of k equals to 12 or minus 12. Okay. Therefore the value of k is 12 and minus 12. Clear students? So first what you do, write down the value of ABC, find out the value of delta. So delta value is k square minus 144. The roots are real and equal. So real and equal कधी असणार, जेव्हा delta equals to 0 असणार तेव्हा. delta ची व्हॅल्यू काय भेटली, k square minus 144. Clear? Now आपल्याला याला स्क्वेअर ने सेपरेट करावं लागणार. सो k plus 12 and k minus 12. So separate with zeros. So what is the value of k is minus 12 and k equals to 12. Therefore the value of k is plus 12 and minus 12. So here we have example number 2. Kx of x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So students, first this equation convert into a standard form. Clear? So first write down here as it is we have this equation. Okay, so write down this kx of x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Now the next one, we have to convert this equation in standard form. Therefore multiply this with here and again this with here. Clear? So kx multiply x, we get kx square. So write down here kx square minus multiply this with this, so 2kx. Okay, now plus 6 as it is equals to 0. Now after that write down the value of ABC. Clear? So value of ABC is here a equals to k. Clear? In place of a we can write down here k. Now b is equals to 2k. This is a, this is b and this is c. So write down here minus 2k and c equals to 6. After that find out the value of delta. So delta is b square minus 4ac. Now substitute value. B is what? Minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into a is k multiply c is what? 6. Now simplify. 2 2s are 4k square minus 4 6 are 24. This is k. So therefore we get delta is equals to, therefore delta equals to 4k square minus 24k. After that write down the roots are real and equal, same as it is. When we solve the example number 2, write down same like that. So the roots are real and equal. So roots are real and equal असल्यावरती आपण काय करतो? Delta equals to 0. Now what is the delta is this? So write down in place of delta. So 4k square minus 24k equals to 0. Clear? Now आता 4k square and 24k, so take common. So इथं 4k ना, so remains what? इथे k minus 4 6 are 24. Clear? Now close the bracket equals to 0. Now after this काय करणार आपण? 4k equals to 0. This is first one, or k minus 6 equals to 0. We have another equation. So make a two equation. Now the first equation is therefore 4k equals to 0 or k minus 6 equals to 0. Clear? Therefore this k equals to काय येणार? हा 4 इथे गेला की 0 होऊन जाणार 0, or this k equals to 6. Now we get k equals to 0 or k equals to 6. So we get k equals to 0 or k equals to 6, which is unacceptable, because if k equals to 0, the equation of it becomes meaningless. Okay, it is meaningless now, because k equals to 0, it is meaningless. Therefore we get only one root, that is k equals to 6. This is the value of k, because value of k कधी पण नंबरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये असणार. क्लियर? झिरोच्या फॉर्म मध्ये नसणारच. क्लियर? सो therefore k equals to 6 is the value of k. Clear? So 6 is the value of k. I hope students you have understood this two solution with the help of these steps. So first write down the in standard form. After that take with the delta. After finding the value of delta, find their roots are real and equal. Now substitute all values, you will get the value of k is 6. Now value of k is 0, it is meaningless. Therefore we can consider k equals to 6. This is the value of k.
Students, I hope you clear today's practice set. In the next lecture, we will learn the next practice set, that is 2.6. Till then, do practice, study well. Bye-bye. Thank you.